friend of me is POCO F4, and today I would like to show you how you can change font style on this smartphone. First of all, go into Devices Settings, scroll down and tap on Display. Now you need to scroll down and click on Font. Following that, tap on the best one for you, like that one. Select one of those. I will go with this one is cute, Spring Fairy. Tap on 3 over here, wait and select Apply. Then click on Home button. As you can see, after that, style of my font has changed. But if you wish to go back into the default one, you can always do that by selecting Display, clicking on Font again, but this time choosing My Fonts. Now tap on Roboto, the default one, and tap on Apply. Lastly, select Reboot and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!